I started off the year baking a cake for my dad, which is kind of what I always do every year when I go back to work in January, because my dad's birthday is the first family birthday and it also falls on the first week of Jan. So I always consider it a blessing to start my work year with a cake for family, especially being my dad. Sometimes I'll do one for my grandparents because they don't know the actual birth dates. So my dad usually celebrates with them. And this year was no different. So I made a cake. We had family lunch on this day. So I did a very simple cake. And for some reason, I convinced myself not to share this video, yet I filmed it, having known I'm going to share it, but convinced myself that this is not aesthetic or aesthetic. I don't know what you say. It's not aesthetic, and no one's going to be interested in such a simple cake. But you know what? I had a pep talk with myself today and realized something Ashley might have said to me some time back. Not every cake I post has to be Pinterest worthy or like extravagant. And to be honest, I really enjoyed this cake. I enjoyed making it because it was simple. I actually enjoyed eating it because if you've known about me, I hardly ever eat cake. I don't like cake. I don't even ever want a slice. But I don't know if it's because of adding jam, but I really, really enjoyed eating this cake. I was competing with my mom, like fighting for a slice every, like the leftover cake. But I really enjoyed it. It was something so different. Buttercream cake, a vanilla cake with just plain buttercream and raspberry jam. Yeah, and I opted to just do it as a naked cake with just piped buttercream stars and jam filling. Then did the same thing for the top, just stars and a piped, no, and raspberry jam at the top for the decor with some strawberries. And it was really simple. My family and my cousins really enjoyed it, and I actually told myself this is the kind of cake I'll probably do more often when I'm just doing a simple cake for giving away or just to have like fun. I don't always have to do like extravagant cakes. I don't have to always fight with my brain about what cake should I do, what design should I do, because even this is just something I truly, truly enjoy, and it's something that's genuinely from my heart. And we really liked it. It's so simple, and it was really, really good. I remember my mom and I talking about how long it had been since we had jam, and I had seen this type of cake on a page on Instagram, and I was like, why do I always have to do like extravagant cakes? This cake was so simple yet so beautiful, so I opted to do the exact same thing. I will definitely tag or leave the Instagram page on my description box for you to see where I got it from, where I got the idea from. But it was so simple and so nice, and I'm hoping to God I'll be able to do more of this type of cakes before the year ends, or anytime I am visiting like my grandparents or my aunties who I know don't eat as much sugar as other people do. But yeah, that's how my year started, and let's see how the rest of the year takes us. Bye.